Meaning of ill.
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 Ill. The term ill refers to a state of physical or mental discomfort, unease, or disease. When someone is ill, they may experience a range of symptoms, including pain, fatigue, fever, nausea, coughing, or difficulty breathing. Illness can be caused by a variety of factors, such as infections, injuries, genetics, or lifestyle habits. It can also have a significant impact on a person's daily life, affecting their ability to work, socialize, and care for themselves. Seeking appropriate medical treatment and taking preventative measures can help manage and prevent illness.